from last 7 years and my qualification is BSc, MSc, BA. I have completed BSc in Bangalore College, MSc in Karnataka University Dharwad and B.Ed in Arvichand College, Hubli. So, I am going to give some introduction regarding the subject biology. Biology is basic science which mainly includes two sections such as botany and zoology. Botany deals with the study of plants, whereas zoology deals with the study of animals. Okay? So biology is such a vast subject and it is having many specialized branches such as biotechnology, genetics, microbiology, forensic science, marine biology and so on. So after completion of second year, taking biology subject, we have wide range of opportunities such as medical field. In the medical field, you can go for MBBS, BAMS, BHMS, BDS and veterinary. Next, you can also go for engineering, BCA, BBA, BSc Agri, BSc Nursing, Forestry, Horticulture and so on. By taking the biology subject, after completion of second year, you have many wide range of opportunities. Okay? So next, our biology lab has well equipped and sophisticated. We are having good number of microscopes, permanent slides, as well as specimens, models of human skeleton, brain, heart and so on. We are using biology in day-to-day life. One best example I wanted to give you, morning and eat breakfast martini, that is what we are preparing idli and dosa. That idli and dosa in prepare martini hitti irutte, adralli mainly yav process irutte, fermentation process. So in the fermentation process, actually the role of microorganisms takes place. When I say the role of microorganisms takes place, it means there is an involvement of biology. So this is a basic example of what I have given you. So daily life in the role of biology meditane from morning to till night. We are very related to the subject biology. Okay. So, in this study, we just have, I wanted to explain about the blow of syllabus of PUC 1 biology. So, dear students, firstly I want to discuss with the blow of syllabus. In that, we are having 5 main units. So, unit number 1, that is diversity of living organism. So in this unit, mainly 4 chapters are there. So chapter 1, that is living world, 3 hours chapter which carries 4 marks. And chapter 2, biological classification, 2 hours chapter which carries 1 marks. Chapter 3, plant kingdom which carries 7 marks, which is about 5 hours. Chapter 4, Animal Kingdom, 7 hours chapter and carries 6 marks. Come to the unit 2, that is structural organization in plants and animals. In this unit, there are 3 chapters. So chapter 5, Morphology of Flowering Plant, which is of 4 hours, carries 6 marks. Chapter 6, Anatomy of Flowering Plants, which is having 4 hours, carries 4 marks. Chapter 7, Structural Organization in Animals, is of 7 hours chapter, carries 5 marks. Next, unit 3, Cell Structure and Function. So this unit contains 3 chapters. So chapter 8, Cell, the unit of life, is about 8 hours, carries 8 marks. Chapter 9, Biomolecules, 5 hours chapter, carries 6 marks. Chapter 10, Cell Cycle and Division, 4 hours chapter it is, which carries 8 marks. Right? Unit 4, that is plant physiology, transport in plants 6 hours carries 6 marks. Chapter 12 Mineral and Nutrition 6 hours chapter 8 marks. Chapter 13 that is photosynthesis in higher plants 5 hours chapter carries 5 marks. Chapter 14 Respiration in plants 5 hour chapters carries 5 marks. Chapter 15 Plant Growth and Development 5 hours chapter carries 5 marks. And next chapter Unit 5 Human Physiology, which is having totally 7 chapters. Chapter 16 Digestion and Absorption is of 3 hours chapter, which carries 3 marks. Chapter 17 Breathing and Exchange of Gases 3 hours chapter carries 5 marks. Chapter 18 Body Fluid and Circulation 4 hours chapter carries 5 marks. Chapter 19 Excretory Product and their Elimination 3 hours chapter carries 3 marks. Chapter 20 Locomotion and Movement 4 hours chapter which carries 3 marks. Chapter 21 Neural Coordination, Neural Control and Coordination 6 hours chapter carries 6 marks. Lastly, chapter 22 Chemical Coordination and Integration 6 hours chapter which carries 3 marks. So there are totally 22 chapters and which comes under 5 units. So in these 22 chapters, 11 chapters are from botany and rest 11 chapters are from zoology. Clear? So today we have discussed about blow of syllabus. Even I have introduced myself and also about the biology subject and blow of syllabus. Just once have a look of our biology lab.
Dear students, these are the microscopes what we are having in our lab. So see, these many microscopes which are in good numbers and good quality microscopes. So this microscope is dissecting microscope and these microscopes are compound microscopes. These are the models which are there in our lab, that is human brain. First one, the model of human brain. Next, second one, the model of human heart. Next, the model of human, that is NASA. So this is a model of human skeleton which is used for the study purpose, the types of bones and their location and all. These are the specimens of both botany as well as zoology. So these specimens are used for study purpose. Clear? So see, how many specimens are there? There are too many specimens are there of both botany as well as zoology. This is a model of human digestive system which is prepared by first year students using some materials, waste materials. Okay. ಕಸದಿಂದ ರಸ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ DNA double helix model prepared by second PUC students. See, this is a model prepared by second PUC students, that is DNA double helix model. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಂಗೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕಡ್ಡಿನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸೊ 4 ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಕಲರಿಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕಡ್ಡಿಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಡಿನಿನ್, ಥೈಮಿನ್, ಗ್ವಾನಿನ್, ಸೈಟೋಸಿನ್, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೇರ್ ಟು perform. So this is a chart of human embryo development. So these two are the charts of human embryo development. In this chart, from the first month to the last 9 months, a baby development chart it is. See.
Dear students, you have seen our lab and lab equipments, even model also. I hope you have liked our lab. So, ನಮ್ಮ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ಅದರ ಉಪಯೋಗ ತಗೋರಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೆಗೀರಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ 100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 70 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಥಿಯರಿ. ಸೊ 70 marks theory nalli, so you are having choices. Clear? So total question paper 105 marks in irutte. So in that 105 marks you have to attempt 70 marks. So first session nalli 1 mark ige 10 questions, no choosing, and 2 marks ige 10 questions, choosings are there. 3 marks ige 5 questions you have to write, allu choosing barutte, and 5 marks ige 5 questions. So allu choosing. So total theory ನೀವು 70 marks ಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ and practical ಇರುತ್ತದೆ 30 marks. So practical ಗೆ ವರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. So practical ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. Clear? So ನಮ್ಮ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ತರ equipments ಇದಾವೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ permanent slides ಇದೆ and everything is there. You just don't get fear, feel free and study continuously. So it will become easy for you. So ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿದ ಪಾಠನ ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತೇ ಅದನ್ನ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ 4 ದಿನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓದ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಏನದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನದ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹೆಸಿಟೇಟ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅದನ್ನ hesitate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, we are here to solve your doubts. Clear? Thank you dear students.